This is the 220V power cable. This is the power supply for our machine. Red is the live wire. The green one is the neutral wire. The yellow one is the earth wire. And the parameters of this air switch to be connected are 63 ARP. This is the dosing port connection for ethylene oxide. This is the inlet connection for tap water. This is the drain connection for tap water. This is the inlet connection for pure water for the steam generator. This is where the exhaust port of the steam generator is connected. This is an ethylene oxide exhaust vent. This is the connection for the air compressor, the compressed air. This is the inlet of tap water. Let's start connecting. The one we were issued had a tube like this. Use this end to start the connection. Connect well. This is the drain. Connect with this. Just press it down like this. Then align and press in. After pressing in, release it and it will be connected. And then this is the end that you cut with scissors. After cutting, plug it into the hole in the sewer. The exhaust port needs to be connected to a 4-point bellows. This is our pure water connection port. Use a tube to connect it. This one is the exhaust port of the steam generator. Also connect. This is the ethylene oxide dosing port. Put raw tape on this end. After entangling, screw it on against this mouth. This is other end connected to ethylene oxide. Open this top cover for it. Open the upper cover and connect it. Screw it on. Gas source. Just get a size trachea and stick it right in him. And then after all the plumbing, electrical and gas are hooked up, turn it on with the key. Press OK. Go to this screen and press the operation. After clicking, press door control. OK, after opening it, this is the door. This is closed. Go this way now. Now the door is open. If we have to close the door, when closing, click to close the door first. After closing, press this to cancel. Click this button after canceling. Click to start. Everything is adjusted. The machine starts running.